Make sure to have your mineral, but don't put it on the scale yet. First, you want to get this line even with this 0. So you have to use this little knob on the side to raise it up. And then just let it go a couple times to go up and down. Now that our line is even with the 0, we are able to put our mineral onto the scale. Notice how this rises up. Now you want to be able to shift your weights around to get it back down to the 0. Since the little knob is at 9, that means that this mineral's mass is 9 grams.
The materials you need are a graduated cylinder, water, and a mineral. Make sure that your mineral can fit into the cylinder. Now you fill your graduated cylinder to 30 milliliters, and you can use a pipette to help you with this process. Now put your mineral into the water and try not to spill any water. Since the water has gone up to 33 milliliters, you subtract the original amount of water in the cylinder, which was 30, from the new amount of water, which is 33. And that leaves you with 3 milliliters. And so 3 milliliters is your volume. Another way to calculate volume is by multiplying length times width times height of a mineral. This works for minerals with a definite shape. Let's say we have a mineral with a length of 3 centimeters, a width of 2 centimeters, and a height of 3 centimeters. Then you multiply 3 times 2 times 3, and the answer gives you your volume.
Today we will be solving density equations.
As you may or may not know, density equals mass over volume.
We are going to demonstrate how to solve a density equation.
If a mineral has a volume of 3.33 milliliters and a mass of 9.99 grams, what is the density?
Let's plug in our mass and volume. We know the mass is 9.99 grams. And we know our volume is 3.33 milliliters. Now we simply divide 9.99 by 3.33. And the answer is 3 grams per milliliters.
This is how you solve a density equation.
Thanks for watching.
Now I'll show you how to solve a problem where you know the mass and the density, but you do not know the volume. First, you multiply both sides by V. If you multiply 6 over V, and 6 is your mass, times V, both of these V's cross out, and you're left with 6. And if you multiply 2, which is your density, times V, you get 2, you're left with 2V. Then you divide 2 on both sides. And when you divide 2V divided by 2, the 2's cross out, and you're left with V, which is volume. And if you divide 6 divided by 2, you're left with 3. So your volume equals 3.